Hello everyone, and welcome to Cinematography Tips. So, today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started editing your first video in Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is Apple's high-end video software from step up from iMovie, which is free with every computer. I will talk more about iMovie in a different video, but let's jump right into Final Cut. So, when you open it for the first time, you're going to see none of this. You're not going to see any of these bars on the timeline. This will be black. It'll say nothing to inspect, nothing is selected, and you'll see one library called Untitled. So, I'm assuming you're not going to want to use Untitled. So what you're going to want to do is go up to File, go to New, go down to Library. You're going to see this, and I'm just going to name mine Test for this video. The default save location is Movies. You can save it to wherever. One thing to note is these files here are very large. The libraries here, my Bitcoin tips video library is 104 gigabytes. And you can see that's not uncommon. A couple of these are 88, 63, so I have them on an external hard drive, since I don't have a very large hard drive in my machine. So if you plan to use Final Cut Pro a lot, plan to have a lot of storage space, not only for the videos you shoot, but for the libraries and events and projects you edit them in. So once you hit save, you're going to see your library show up over here. Cool. Right now, you can see it's only 173 kilobytes, and if we go over to the movies folder, here it is. But you can see, as soon as we're going to start creating things in here, you're going to start to see that size grow. So, here you have two different events. You have one with the date, so today's the 21st of April, and you have smart collections. I normally just delete these because I don't use them whatsoever. It's probably not going to let me delete that one because we need to create at least one event. So what you want to do is click Test, go up to File, New, Event. You can also hit Option N. So, click Event. You're going to see this show up. Now this can kind of be confusing, so let's walk through it here. Event name, we're going to call it First Event. Obviously you name what you were going to edit off of in here, but again, it's for purpose of the video. You can now choose what library you want it in. Since we highlighted test, it's already going to be in test. I spelled test wrong, I just noticed that. We're gonna create a new project already, and then I will also walk you through how to do it once you have an event created. So you're gonna want to leave starting time code at 0. Don't select drop frame. Your video format, whatever format the camera you use to record is. I'm gonna be using 2K video, so it sets and the rate is 29.97 frames per second. Your codec, I usually just leave it on Apple ProRes 422. You can change it. I don't really have a use to, but you can. I usually leave mine on stereo because the video samples I'm going to be using right now do not have sound. And then your hertz, so that. You can also use automatic settings, which just does the same thing, but I like to have control over my video, which is something Final Cut Pro gives you. So once you do that, click OK. You can see over here, first event shows up. You can now delete the other event if you do not want it. So now we have the test library with first event. So you can see that it has grown to almost half of a megabyte. All I've done is create an event. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, but as soon as you start doing things, it's going to become a lot. So, now, I know we just created a project, but we are going to continue, and I'm going to show you how to create a new project. So again, you're going to go File, New, and then Project. You can also do a Command N. And then you get the same thing here. We're just going to call it Untitled Project 1. It's same settings here. Everything I just went through, that's just how to do it through the menus. Alright, so that's how to create a library, an event, and a project. In my next video, I will show you how to import and start using your files in Final Cut Pro. So guys, if this video was helpful, give it a like. If you did not like it for whatever reason, give it a dislike and let me know why you didn't like it so I can fix it. If you have any questions or suggestions for a video on Final Cut Pro, leave a comment. And if you have any comments about the video, things I can do better, things you liked, things you want to see more of, let me know. Please share this channel to friends and family who are trying to get into video production. It's really easy to do once you know what you're doing. So please subscribe for more, and I hope you like the content that I will be producing on this channel. So again, like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, subscribe and share for more. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.